Bonnie, happy Thursday! I've got an exciting fashion video for you guys today. It's actually an undergarment video. I have partnered up with Shapermint. They do shapewear, undergarments, bras, camis, all kinds of good stuff. They did send me 4 products to try on. So I'm going to unbag all of these products. I'm going to talk about each one, what I liked about each one, what I would buy again. Also, I have a code. It's Bonnie20. I will put that below, and I will put all the products that I actually am featuring here in my video. And with the code Bonnie20, you do get a 20% off discount. Now, one thing I do love about this company is they're all about body positivity. They did send me these awesome stickers. You are amazing. Love yourself. So what I like about Shapewear is it's not necessarily about changing your body. It's about wearing things that make you feel good in your clothes. So a little background on myself. I am 5'10". I used to be closer to 5'11". I think I've shrunk a little bit over the years. I am 51 years old, and my weight range is about 170 to 175. When I was younger, I wore probably a size 6 to 8. I was, in the 130, 140 range. And then, of course, I had a child when I was 37. So I always said I'm going to lose the baby weight. And, I try to walk, I try to stay healthy, but I definitely could, in my opinion, just stand to lose a couple of pounds to keep myself healthier, but it's always hard, especially in your 50s. So when Shapermint said they were going to send me the box, I was really excited because I do definitely have some problem areas. I have definitely a little bit of, in my stomach. I have where I'm a little bit bigger. I also have, 2 years ago, I had stage 0 breast cancer. I actually did a video about 2 years ago about my experience, and I did have a unilateral mastectomy on my right side. So I do wear a silicone or foam prosthesis on this side. It really hasn't bothered me much over the years. I feel like I'm so used to it now. It doesn't, affect anything. The only thing that's hard sometimes is purchasing bras because you got to make sure your prosthesis isn't going to go flying out. I always joke around, before I do a video, I'm like, are my boobs straight? It's always the, checking that out. But you do. That's one thing you kind of have to worry about when you wear a breast prosthesis. So the first thing I'm going to talk about in the bag then is they did send me their True Kind. This is the Daily Comfort Wire-Free Bra. Now, after you've had a mastectomy, wearing a underwire bra is really difficult. First of all, I gotta show you, these bags are awesome. So Shapermint sends everything in a bag like this, and these are reusable. You can put your product back in the bag after you wash it, and there's some information about each product on the back. So that's kind of neat. So, oh my goodness. So my favorite product that they sent me is definitely this bra. So I got this one in black, and it's so soft and comfortable. So what I like about this bra is, like I was saying before, once you've had a mastectomy, you cannot wear an underwire. Because what happens is when you wear a prosthesis, you're either wearing a silicone prosthesis, which is pretty heavy. They're like a pound or 2, or you're wearing like a foam one. And with the silicone, the wire just gets in the way. It's not comfortable. And with the foam one, you're likely that it could pop out. What you want to do once you've had a mastectomy is you want to have a really soft, supportive bra. And it can be really hot in the summer. I'll have to say that's the one thing that kind of bugs me. And I'm going to talk about the Cami after, because, oh my gosh, the Cami is awesome. I love Camis in the summer that are supportive. So this bra is perfect. It's super soft. It's got a couple of layers here, and I did get this one in extra large. I felt like the size worked. Shapermint does have sizes extra small to 4XL. I do feel like you need to go maybe one size up. I thought about getting the large, and then I actually went with the extra large, and I'm glad I did because it fits better around my chest. So what's great about this bra is I can put this on and I can pop in. The silicone breast prosthesis you can only wear with the bra that has like the pocket in it. Otherwise, it's like, whoo, falls out. And you don't want that to happen. So, but a lot of times in the summer, you want to wear like a foam prosthesis because it's much, much cooler. So what's great about this bra is you put this on and then I can just pop my foam prosthesis in and I'm good to go. I wore this one all day. The foam prosthesis stayed in place. I was perfect. It was awesome. They also give you a bra extender, and they come in white, they come in beige. I really want to get a white and beige one for summer. I am absolutely loving the bra. So that's the first item I got. The second item I got comes in small to 4XL, beige, white, and black. I did get the black one. Now, I do wish I had gotten the extra large in this one. This one is a little bit tight for me. If I buy this, I'm going to get it in an extra large. And so what's nice about this one is you can wear this, and I'm actually going to put a photo up right now. I actually put on a skirt that I just purchased at Sam's Club. And then what I did was I put the Cami on, and I actually wore the high-waisted shaper shorts underneath. I'm going to talk about those in a minute. And then I wore my tie-dye sleeveless shirt and I tied it in front. So what's nice about the Cami is that it sucks you in. Oh my gosh. So not only does this hold my prosthetic breast in place, but it also, flattens my stomach a little bit. Like I said, it was a little bit on the small side. I almost would go with the 2X because I prefer my cami to be a little bit loose, but yet supportive. So I'm thinking, I don't know, extra large 2X. Now on the size chart, it says that, I said I got large. Large is the 6 to 8. That's why it was so tight on me. In the cami, I would go with the 2X then because that's size 12, 14. And I typically wear a 12, 14. Usually pants I wear like a 12. I would say I wear mostly a 12 in like jeans and stuff. T-shirts I wear like large, extra large. But I would definitely go with the 2X then in the cami. But what I like about this is I don't have to wear a bra underneath. I can just pop in my foam prosthetic boob and I'm good to go. So I was really liking this. And then I can wear like that sleeveless shirt on top. So I really liked the cami for summer. I also got the high-waisted shaper short, and I actually wore this under the skirt. These were a little bit warm, I thought. I would prefer this more in the winter. So this is what the shaper short looks like. And on the size chart for this, again, I got what did I get? I got extra large XXL. If I got these again, I think I would go for, what is this one again? This is the XL XXL. I think I might go for the size up. I felt these were a little bit tight for me. And they do suck you in. So basically the high waist means you can wear it all the way up here. And, they really do hold you in. I definitely felt like I was, like my skirt was a little bit looser. Actually, I almost felt like I could go a size lower in the skirt with the shaperwear on, which was nice. And what's nice is, especially when you're wearing cotton, a lot of times you feel like you jiggle a little bit, like your stomach. It does hold you in, which is nice, especially when you're, over 50, you do get that a little bit. The final thing I got was the high-waisted shaper panty. This is nice because you don't have the where your legs are being, shaped. That's not the word. Basically, with the shorts, this is going to go down about mid-thigh. So if you want something a little bit cooler in the summer, I would recommend going with the high-waisted shaper panty. So this is going to go up again pretty high, but it's going to be a lot cooler because you're not, you don't have the legs on it. Again, I think I got the wrong size. I got the XL, XXL. I, again, would go with the size up. It all depends on what you like in your shaperwear. Some people like it a little tighter. I prefer having it just a little bit looser so it gives me support, but it's not like squeezing me. They're all a really nice quality fabric. I really liked what they were made out of. And then if you look on the back, you can see they've got instructions: machine wash cold, do not bleach, tumble dry low, do not iron. It gives you a little bit of information on the back of each one, which I thought was really nice. High-waisted shaper short, holds everything in, super comfortable, stays in place all day. 90% nylon, 10% spandex. And like I said, after you wash them, you can put them back in the bag and just kind of like line them up in your drawer. So like I said, the two favorite products from this haul were definitely this bra. This bra is so soft. This is actually a different material than the other products. This is more of a rougher product. Oh, and they do have the rubber inside, so it doesn't fall down, which is nice. But these are definitely like a thicker material, where the bra is like really silky soft. I think I literally have found my new favorite bra. I've got to order a couple of these. These are awesome. So overall, I was thrilled with what Shapermint sent me. I will definitely be wearing these pieces. And like I said, I did partner up with Shapermint on this haul. And if you use the code Bonnie20, you'll get 20% off. I'll list the products below for the most part on what was in here. So let me know what you think. I'm thrilled with this. I was super happy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back later, you guys. Bye bye.